In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best golf club bags that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. TaylorMade Pro 8.0 Cart Bag. One potential drawback of choosing a cart bag over a carry bag is that they sometimes fall off your push cart. TaylorMade counteracts this problem with the Pro Cart 8.0 bag by including a key lockable base. Combining this system with a compatible cart allows it to lock in. That means bumps and shocks in the course shouldn't cause you any headaches. However, the key lock system also means that these bags lack a cart strap loophole. So, if you have an older push cart and intend to continue to use it, this bag may not be the right choice for you. Number 2. Sun Mountain C130. These bags truly are epic and come packed with plenty of features to justify their price tag. Although this bag is a little more expensive than our top pick for cart bags, it still won't break the bank. It definitely could have taken out the top spot if it were just a little cheaper. As you can see, you'd be hard-pressed to fill this bag up to its total storage capacity. A particular standout is the cooler pocket. If you're a golfer that likes to have a cold beverage or two on the course, it's perfect. You could also use it for your water. It helps stop the bag from rotating in your pushcart, which we all know can be a real pain. Number 3. Eagole Super Lite. Don't let the low cost of this bag cause you to think they aren't worthy of your attention. It's surprisingly hardy and has plenty of storage space, all in an incredibly lightweight package. The lightweight design is a particularly strong point for these bags. It almost makes them a perfect middle ground if you're unsure if you'd like a stand bag or cart bag. Yet, this is the perfect bag if you have a reliable push cart. Its lightweight nature means you can load and unload your clubs out of the car and into your cart with no issues. The sizable pockets compete with golf bags that cost twice as much. It's huge and has room for lunch and a drink for 2 people. If your budget is tight, you probably wouldn't want to overlook these bags. Number 4. TaylorMade 5.0 ST Stand Bag. There are plenty of reasons why this bag is a top seller. One of those reasons is that TaylorMade is recognized for making some of the best golf products on the market. You get that industry-leading backing at a very modest price with this bag. Another reason that these are considered the best golf stand bag for their price and fly off the shelves. They only weigh 4.5 pounds and come equipped with 5 easy grab handles. The dual straps also spread the weight evenly across your shoulders so you can carry your clubs to the 18th hole with no worries. The nylon exterior makes for a durable bag that will last you years. The 6 pockets will also keep your golf gear and valuables safe on the golf course, no matter the weather. Number 5. Izzo Ultra Light Stand Bag. This bag is so light that you could probably pick it up with your hands and carry it for 9 holes. The smart grip handles would make that pretty easy too. Yet, we recommend using the ergonomic shoulder straps that come with the bag instead. You may not expect to see full-length dividers in such a light and budget-friendly golf bag. But, the Izzo Ultra Light has them. The only downfall is that it's only a 4-way divider. There are also only 4 pockets. These bags make up for that by adding other clever storage options like an umbrella holder and built-in rain hood.